In 2005, an agreement was forged between Shell and Qatar Petroleum to create the world's largest gas-to-liquid plant. Built in the desert of Qatar, this project was a major step towards meeting the world's growing demand for cleaner energy. However, to effectively operate this state-of-the-art GTL plant, as well as to guarantee a zero liquid discharge, Shell needed a sustainable water treatment facility that could recycle the effluent generated from the GTL process. With world-renowned expertise and over 400 oil and gas references worldwide, Veolia Water Solutions and Technologies was selected to achieve this goal in partnership with Saipem Al Jaber.
Veolia was chosen because we had the capabilities to show that a fully integrated wastewater effluent treatment plant in a zero liquid discharge can work. And secondly, Veolia was chosen because we were most probably the only company in the world who could give commitment at that level of performances to Shell.
I jumped into this project in April 2008 when construction started basically. The first day I arrived on site, I really had the impression that we would have to fill the desert.
At the peak of construction, Shell's site in Ras Laffan City was the largest construction site in the oil and gas industry, employing over 52,000 workers from 60 countries. Equivalent in size to 450 football pitches, this state-of-the-art GTL complex can provide enough fuel to fill 160,000 cars every day. So how does it do this? Through a complex process of converting gas into liquid hydrocarbons. However, the resulting byproduct of this conversion is a considerable volume of process water. And this is where Veolia's expertise in the oil and gas industry proves so critically important.
The purpose of our plant was basically to treat the water, to be able to reuse it in the various processes of the Pearl GTL complex.
During pre-treatment, water from a variety of sources is processed in different ways. Waxes and oils are removed and the water is cooled. It is then joined by process water from the GTL reactors. In the main treatment area, flow is split into two identical lines. Each starts with a buffer tank, which stores water in order to control flow into the rest of the line. During the next stage, called flocculation flotation, air is passed through the water to remove suspended solids and organic contents. From here, the water enters a biotreater, where biological treatment is used to remove organic compounds. Two clarifiers perform a final decantation treatment before the water undergoes ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration uses submerged membranes to remove any solids still suspended in the water. Dissolved solids are removed through reverse osmosis membranes, and clean, pure, almost drinkable water is sent back to the GTL complex for use in boilers, cooling towers and other applications. Water from cooling towers and boilers is treated separately in a specific ultrafiltration and reverse osmosis unit. The final stage makes this plant unique. Brine, a byproduct of reverse osmosis, is then processed through evaporation and crystallization so that the water is separated from the salt and returned to the complex for reuse. This means that 100% of the water that flows into the treatment plant is recycled and reused in the GTL complex, achieving zero liquid discharge for the whole site. A fact made yet even more impressive when you consider that the plant processes an average of 40,000 cubic meters of water every day, enough to fill 16 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
This project fits perfectly in the Veolia water strategy: service, value, responsibility. Responsibility towards the people. We achieved outstanding result in terms of safety. Value through recovery of water and maximizing the reuse and applying the zero liquid discharge principle. And service by bringing innovative solutions to a unique project.
I think it will help a customer in the future in that respect, that it can show to all the oil and gas industry that solutions for zero liquid discharge or for fully integrated plant do exist without a need to take water outside.
This is a great achievement for us. I think we have managed to work according to very high standards of safety, which are the standards dictated by the oil and gas industry.
project like this one, because of its size, because of its uniqueness, will definitely be a milestone in the path to cleaner energy. And Veolia has to be very proud for participating in such a project.